Hello everyone, so today we're going to talk about some Amazon Echo device updates and some news for all the people who own Amazon Echo devices in the UK. So one of the updates that your Echo device can do now is play different versions of a song. Now, unfortunately, because of copyright issue, I cannot demonstrate this one for you, but I'm gonna let you know what you can do so you can try it for yourself. So if you ask your Amazon Echo device to play a song, you can also ask for different versions of that song. So if you want to hear an a cappella version, if it's available, she's gonna play it. You might want to hear a live version of the song. If that's available, she'll find it and play that for you too. If there's any remix, like there might be a disco version, a dance version, or any other versions of the song, she can actually play that remix version for you of that song. Sometimes they remaster a song to make it sound better. So now if you listen to a song that sounds like it's kind of oldish, just ask her to play a remastered version of that song. If you like the acoustic sound of any song, make a request. Maybe that version is available. You can also request an instrumental version of the song or a lullaby version. So this option is available to you now in your Echo devices through your Amazon Music. Now the next feature I want to talk about is what am I holding? So you can take your Echo Show 5, Echo Show 8, and the regular Echoes and hold up an item to the camera and she'll try to identify what that is and tell you what you're holding. So this option is mainly for people who are visually impaired. Now I've tried it myself and it's a hit and miss. It can't really identify items as well as it should, but it can recognize things that has words on it. What am I holding?
Let's see. Remember to hold your item about a foot above the countertop and centered with the camera. If your item is large, try holding it further away from the camera. Make sure that your hands aren't covering the front of the item. I read the following words. A. Sony, Bony.
So it's not as good as Google Lens. Now Google Lens can actually identify items even if it has no words on it. It's pretty good at it. I would say the Google Lens is about 80% good. There's some things it doesn't identify, but it does a good job. So Amazon is on the way there, but they're not there yet. Now for all the people in the UK, this part of the video is for you. Now in 2019 in the US, Amazon rolled out a feature for the Amazon Echo device to identify the reason why she's automatically triggered. So you can make requests to find out what did she hear, for instance, to make her just automatically start talking. And then she'll try to explain the reason why she did that. So some of the commands were like, why did you do that? What just happened? What did you do? Why did you say that? Why did you talk? Why did you turn on? So those were some of the commands. Now this was sparked because people were having fear that the Amazon Echo device was listening to them all the time, even if you didn't trigger her to come on. Now some of the time it got triggered because of what's going on the TV or on the radio or even on your phone or even just background chatter. I noticed it happened to me and I can't figure out why, but I noticed every one of these devices do it. If you're in the UK, now you can try to figure out why your Echo device got triggered and she'll try to explain the reason why. And there was another feature that we in the US could take advantage of that the people in the UK didn't. And that feature is whisper mode. So now that feature is available to all the people in the UK. So you can take advantage of that feature now. And the whisper mode is basically where you can just whisper to her and tell her to do certain things like turn off the light, do routines and stuff like that, and she would just whisper back to you instead of talking at her normal voice. If you want to learn how to turn on the whisper mode, just follow this instructions right here that I have at the bottom of the video. Okay, so those are the features I really wanted to cover in this video. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.